Good morning, students. I welcome you all to today's class. As I have told you in the previous class that we will do a new worksheet from our English practice book. Today we are going to start from page number 5, worksheet 2. This is a very interesting exercise because here we will write what each animal is saying. Okay, you will be provided with a slide where you can see a picture of an animal. You have to simply write what that animal is saying. Okay, let's start our exercise. So what I have said just now, you have to write a sentence against each animal. You will practice it in your practice book as well as in your homework copy. Okay, let's learn from the given slides. Okay, our first slide is, you can see a giraffe. This is the picture of a giraffe. The appropriate sentence will be, I have a long neck. Okay, I repeat, in your practice book also there is a bubble just beside that animal. I mean to say, the first animal is giraffe and just beside it there is a bubble given. You will write this particular sentence there. Suppose our first animal is giraffe, so we will write there, I have a long neck. The giraffe is saying that I have a long neck. Similarly, we will do it for other animals also. Let's come to our next slide. Students, as you can see, a monkey is swinging from the branches of a tree. So the proper sentence will be, I like to swing from the branches. What the monkey is saying? The monkey is saying, I like to swing from the branches. So write it down in your practice book also. Just beside the picture of monkey there is another bubble. You write it, I like to swing from the branches. This is our second sentence. Now let's come to our next slide. Now, as you can see, a bird is flying. A flying bird. It is a picture of a flying bird. So the appropriate sentence for this particular picture will be, I fly high up in the sky. The bird is saying, I fly high up in the sky. So you will write this particular sentence in the bubble just beside that bird given. Okay, now we will come to our next slide and you will turn your page number 6 on your practice book also. There you will see the picture of a elephant. What is an elephant is saying? Elephant is saying, I have a long trunk. You will write down, I have a long trunk. Okay. Understood, students? So what the elephant is saying? The elephant is saying, I have a long trunk. Elephant has a long trunk. Okay. So let's come to our next slide. Now, as you can see, this is the picture of the king of the jungle. Okay, as we know, lion is the king of the jungle. So the appropriate sentence for this particular animal will be, we will write, I am the king of the jungle. So you will also write in your practice book the bubble beside that picture of a lion will is what you will write, I am the king of the jungle. Okay, understood? So let's come to our next slide. Yes, now this is the picture of a Royal Bengal tiger, and we know tiger runs very fast. So the most appropriate sentence for this particular animal will be, I run very fast. So the bubble which is given beside tiger, there we have to write, I run very fast. So these are some of the animals which are given with the particular bubble, and I have just told about some of them, how and what you have to write in those bubbles. Now let's see what comes next. Yes, what is this? As you all know, this is a snail. This is the picture of a snail. And the sentence for this particular animal will be, what? I have a shell on my back. A snail has a shell on its back. Okay, so we will write in that bubble beside that snail, what we will write, I have a shell on my back. Okay, these are these are some of the sentences which has to be written in the prescribed bubbles given in the practice book. Okay, now today's classwork is, you will learn and write the above sentences which I have just told you in this today's class. These are from your page number 5 of practice book, and you will also do it in your homework copy. One thing is very important, students, that there is no need of drawing the animal figures. Okay, you will not draw any animal figures while doing your homework in a copy. So instead of drawing the figures, you can simply write the animal's name. As for example, instead of drawing the figure of giraffe, you can just write the spelling of giraffe, such as GIRAFFE, and you can draw a bubble just beside it, and you can write that sentence, I have a long neck, in that bubble. So no need of drawing the figures and pictures of those animals. All right, you will write the name of the animal and you can write the sentence against each animal. Okay, you will practice this at your home, and you will also do it in your practice book and class homework copy. Okay, this is your today's assignment. Okay, we will again meet in our next class. Till then, stay safe, stay at home, and have a good day. Thank you.